Hey everyone, Ken here with Ken's Creations and Chalk Couture. Now you can use our paste and ink on any surfaces, but I wanted to show you Chalk Couture canvas and surfaces and how to use them. Make a statement with our bold boards, fabulous frames, and more. You can use our Chalkology paste on all of these surfaces from our Couture gallery frame boards all the way to our palette frames. And use our Chalkology ink on canvas surfaces from our totes to our banners. First up is our Couture Gallery frame boards, featuring our signature porcelain-coated steel magnetic surface and offered in 3 sizes. The Couture Gallery frame board is ideally suited for use with our removable chalkable paste. The classic 8-in frame style has distressed wood and is the perfect complement to this legacy board. Time to say hello to our Couture Boutique frame boards. These exclusive boards with lightly textured finish is lightweight, durable, and cleans up easily with water when used with our Chalkology paste. This non-magnetic board features sawtooth hangers and is available in 3 sizes. Our Couture Boutique boards are so popular, we have them available in a variety of sizes and shapes. Our non-magnetic frameless Couture Boutique boards are exclusive to Chalk Couture and uniquely designed to pair with our removable Chalkology paste. Hanging boards including either twine or burlap ribbon, and the board and base includes a beautiful wooden stand for upright display. Our hexagon boards are unique and on trend, and we even have chalkable chips for display use everywhere you go. No matter the shape or size, we have you covered. We even offer our Couture Boutique boards in a white finish. We've added elegance to our white round with a delicate gold finish frame. You can get them in a 10 and 18-inch round. The unique board and pillar stand design lets you display your art vertically or horizontally. Align the hole on the back of the frame to attach the board to the stand using the provided peg. Can you say versatility? And at $19.99, it is a steal. Design inside the box frame or on the back for 2 different looks. Say hello to our box frames. This beautiful wooden surface is double-sided, featuring a dark stain on one side and a whitewash finish on the other side. Available in 3 sizes, the box frame is a versatile surface that adds charm to any environment. Just remember, these are designed for one-time application only, not for removable designs, but they will make a lasting impression. Are you someone that loves the palette look? Well, whether you love the farm or vintage, whatever is your style, this board is for you. One-time application, it's not for removable designs. But look at that mini, so cute. Say hello to the canvas hanging banners that are sure to turn heads with a sleek, modern design. Perfect for use with our Chalkology ink. They include a magnetic wood frame piece and twine for hanging. Our canvas is so popular, we offer it in pillows. We offer a lumbar pillowcase, which is 12 by 24, and a square pillowcase, which is 17.5 by 17.5, which comes in a 2-pack. Both of these are designed to work with our Chalkology ink and ink mats. But look at the dynamic results you can get using these beautiful canvas pillowcases. Whether your style is more banners or canvas pillows, we have you covered. We even have you covered on the go with our clutch and tote. Featuring a classy black and natural design, this unlined canvas shoulder tote is ideal for use with Chalkology ink. It coordinates perfectly with the canvas clutch for a complete set. Who wouldn't want to design their own tote and clutch on the go? Well, I hope you enjoyed this closer look at Chalk Couture exclusive surfaces. If you found something you like, take a look at our shop or join our Chalk Couture team. Want more videos? Take a look on your screen. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks, everyone.